Matthew chapter 26 from verse 6 to verse 13. Jesus did there Bethany, a Simon yard. Simon and one of them who did have the sickness will make your skin fussy. Now, when Jesus did this, so one woman come to him with one dear perfume in a one little stone jar. Jesus did there around the table when she take the stone jar and throw the perfume upon her head. When him follower them see this here, them beg so till them bout for boss. Hear them now? Where she waste the perfume so far? It could have did sell for a whole heap and take the money give poor people. Jesus don't know what them did I say. So he said to them, say, where not bother the woman for? I see no good she do to me. Cause you not go ever have poor people around you know. But you not go have me around here we don't know forever. When she throw the perfume on my body, she'll get me ready for when they go bury me. Hear me now? And I true me a talk. Anytime people preach the good news around the world, they go remember and talk about what she do. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.